Hello, everyone. Welcome. So I'm Umang Suana, founder at Capable, Elite Techno Groups. We are rebranding to Capable now. And at Capable, we are building an education platform that helps students learn the skills that are relevant to the industry. And it's an ecosystem. Essentially, the idea is to help students learn, help them engage in activities, and then make them ready for the industry. So the idea is on the holistic development of every student from the perspective of an engineer. With me is Vinayak. Vinayak has won National Ice Challenge with us, and it is in the data science department, and he has been the second ranker in the event. So, welcome, Vinayak, and congratulations for being among the winners at Ice Challenge.
Thank you, sir. The pleasure is all mine. I'm Vinayak. So currently, I'm studying at MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I just started my fourth year in electronics and communication engineering. So the placements are going on, and it's me running from one interview to another in a day. So all engineering students can relate. That's the thing. So right now, yeah, that's it. Fourth year means the studies are a bit less. Mostly I stay at home. Interviews are happening online. Apart from that, in my free time, actually, I have a weird type of interest. I'm interested in politics. So national level politics, even international politics. So day in, day out, sometimes I'll be watching news, reading articles, editorials. That's my thinking. Apart from that, I also do a bit of acting, public speaking, speech, debates. That's all about me.
Now, coming to the ICE challenge,
I must say I've been trying to be regular with competitions, hackathons. My college does not have any such hackathons. Okay, it's a complete desert out here. So I'm the only one who's actually interested in this field from my college. Though I see a few names popping up in my college, they're like, okay, machine learning is a good thing, but side by side they want to become a software engineer. So no one totally dedicated to that cause. Okay, so coming to your question, uh, I made an account on Kaggle. After the competition, I got to know about this platform known as Kaggle. So for people who don't know, Kaggle is like the GitHub, not GitHub, the Stack Overflow for data science. So anything you don't know, you practice there, you compete there. So I went to Kaggle. I even upgraded my rank a bit. So I'm a Kaggle expert now. But the thing was, which I noticed and I'm still noticing, is it's very competitive. So the competition is not unbiased there. There are data scientists and people with tons and tons of years of experience competing with you. I couldn't match that, so I again downsized myself. Okay, I again started doing some small competitions. There are other companies also that perform hackathons. So later that year, last year, I got a chance to take part in one more IIT Guwahati hackathon, but that was a full scale hackathon. They invited data scientists and people. So yeah, and actually that time I got to participated with one of my seniors, not from this college, from some other college. She was a postgraduate. She helped me a lot again in cracking in this field. Okay, she had a ton of knowledge. Though we couldn't win that hackathon, but it again propelled me towards this field completely. After that, moving from data science, just data, I went towards computer vision, things like computer vision, natural language processing. I'm learning those things, and obviously, data science being such a competitive field, you can't just read theory and go out and solve real world problems. You need hands-on practical skills. If you don't have that, no point you can do anything. Then this ICE challenge came. Even this year, I wasn't able to participate in anything. The third year of EC is a total bang. Okay, it came as a bang, and it was the thing. I had to manage studies, so this took a back seat. Even this year, some other issues came up. So that's what. Now everything is stable. ICE challenge came up at the right moment, so I just grabbed that opportunity. Actually, last year, as I remember, Elite Techno Groups, they made one seminar, okay, on linear regression with some big industrial expert in September, October, sometime. So that was the stage where I was learning. And when somebody asked a question in that live session, sir, is learning competitive programming necessary? So he said, like, I've been in this industry for 15 years. I've never even heard that word. It inspired me totally. Okay, I'll just leave this. I'll practice data science totally. So yeah, that's what has become.
So how did you get to know about Ice Challenge, and can you walk us through the journey through the Ice Challenge?
Yes, yes. Yeah. So obviously, I followed Elite Techno groups as soon as I discovered you on LinkedIn. So one day, just this link came up. I'm always waiting for competitions. The thing is that I should be having some time. So I challenge happened at the perfect time because I just got done with semester end exams. And I was again ready to start with, okay, let's restart this data science thing. Okay, let's participate in this competition. Maybe let's see what happens. Okay, anyhow, this is a national challenge. Even big names will be there. I participated, and obviously that I think the dates got kept on extending and extending, and then you people had an offer like something, you had an offer like early applicants will get it for free or something. So and even with faculty, so I approached my faculty. So they were all busy in exam papers checking. So no, everyone is like, okay, I don't have any time for this. I thought, okay, fine. Nobody even from my college is interested in this field. I should participate alone. So I got that discount, whatever you people were offering through LinkedIn. I think you people told like comment something like first person something, and I got the offer. So I started building. So that's how I came to know about Ice Challenge.
Interesting. And how did the experience throughout the program was, the competition was?
Yeah, I'll tell you. The data set was in a PDF format. Okay, so obviously data science competitions means you need to have data. So I am habituated with working with Excel related files. Okay, tabular files. The data was in a PDF format. So I first of all I didn't even understand what's going on. So what happened actually was the data set was like first 7-8 columns in first 12 pages, the next 7-8 columns in last 12 pages. So I thought these are two different data sets. But then I came to know these are like continuation, one after the other. So first of all, I had to convert that PDF file into an Excel sheet sort of file. I think this competition was for 7 to 8 days. First of all, I took 3 to 4 days just to understand what this data set is, what is going on here. Okay, then finally, I think on fourth, fifth day, not even fourth, fifth day, I think tomorrow was the submission, and I started 2 days before. Let's start. Okay, let's finish this. Let's make something. Okay, I don't want to give this up. I started doing it, and obviously, I had some experience in data science that helped me a lot. I'd already but the thing was, this time it was more on the analysis side, supermarket data analysis. I haven't worked a lot on data analysis actually. Most of my projects have been prediction, classification, predict what is going to happen in the future, classify these things. Okay, but analysis is an entirely different thing. Okay, so I started. So yeah, they gave me a lot of questions in the presentation. Okay, answer this question. That kept on happening till the day of submission. That 12 o'clock is the date, is the timing, and I'm not submitted till 10 o'clock. Okay, I suddenly came to know that okay, you need to answer these questions as well as you have to predict the profit also. That half an hour I prepared anything that I can, and I did the predictions and submitted it. Okay, and this all was happening when my computer wasn't working properly. So my computer has a special type of ability. When I want to do something serious, okay, when I'm at the death of the moment, my computer stops working. So that happened that day as well. Okay, anyhow, I somehow transferred that an entire thing into my into my mobile, and the video, the final things, everything I uploaded from my mobile. So my upload was done at 11:30. 12 o'clock was the submission. I got done and over with. But it was a really nice competition. The thing was because analysis I hadn't done before, and when I did that, it was a sense of accomplishment. Okay, if the recruiter, for example, or if the company I'm working in is asking me, tell me how many people are, for example, buying things through digital payment. So if I'm able to make a graph related to that, such a good thing instead of looking at boring old files. Yeah, that's about it.
In terms of experience and in terms of, say for example, giving yourself scores from 0 to 10 in the data analysis field, before the challenge and after the challenge, how much would you give yourself for the learning which you went through the competition?
Sir, I think I'll give a 10 on 10. Okay, it was a transformational journey because data science is a very big field. So you can't just simplify data science. Okay, data science means machine learning. That's it. So many different things there. I had to sit for days studying what this data analysis is all about. What is the best way to plot things? What are the different graphs used? Why are they used? When are they used? Everything. Even some of my fellow competitors, I texted them, please help me. Even they had a group, WhatsApp group. I even texted there, so please help me. Whoever was the mentor, so thank him from my side because he helped a lot. He was a very good guidance actually. Even the live sessions you people had, I didn't join all. I joined one or two, got my doubts cleared, and that helped a lot.
You had been part of ETG in some ways. We have grown as a company over time. We are looking to grow, and we are looking to add more things for the students. Uh, what makes you feel that okay, other students could also be beneficial from this? What we are doing? What do you think on that? And would you be recommending to the students to be taking part in the initiatives? What we do? What are your thoughts on that?
Definitely, sir. One thing is that no harm or no offense. Okay, many people actually don't know about you, and I don't know. Like maybe it's a shortcoming for them because the things you people are offering. I don't know any other company who is offering training in fields of electric vehicles, mechatronics. You had competitions in each and every field. So everyone had some interest, something of interest or the other to participate in any format in this competition. I even put this message out in my college groups as well. I don't know if anyone participated or not. Obviously, because everyone is in fourth year, no one actually wants to participate anymore. They just focus on placements. But yes, even I see some of your messages like, okay, we are partnering with such and so college for so and so events. So I would also like you to come to Ramaya Institute of Technology. Obviously, my club is there. We could collaborate. Even teachers, they are starting new branches in artificial intelligence and data science. And sadly, I've seen first years get enrolled in these branches, and they'll apply for branch change with by spending a lot of money. I met some of them, those students. I told them, why are you doing this? Okay, people are dying to get here, and you people are just okay changing your branch. Yeah, nevertheless, the thing was you should definitely. So you are doing a very good job. Really appreciate it. So as I told, a part of your initiative has helped me a lot in this field. Keep on doing that. So all the best. That's what I can say.
Thanks, Vinayak. What do you think? You are in your final year. What suggestion would you give to your second year, third year, fourth year, second year, third year, first year students on how should they plan their career and how should they go about their programs?
First of all, one should be aware of how to listen to one's heart, what one wants to do, not seeing, okay, goats are going that side. Even I'm a goat, I want to go that side. Okay. That must not be the case. You must be the one who should discover your interests, your ideas, and you should be confident about your ideas. It's not like, okay, somebody has told, okay, this is not a correct thing. Please don't pursue this. For example, my parents, they're like, okay, straight away after graduation, go for post graduation. So I don't want to do that. I actually want some industrial skill. That's why I'm applying for placements. So that's the thing. And if you believe in something, and from an engineering perspective, I'm talking about, go for it. Okay, then there's no stopping you. Anyhow, if you'll fail, that'll act as a learning experience for you. Nothing else. This time I came second, but the person who won, yeah, I got to know quite later that he was actually a data scientist. Okay, and that's what I was seeing his presentation, and I was shocked. Oh my god, how has he made this presentation? But it was a learning experience for me. He gave me so many pointers, actually, directly or indirectly, on how I should be doing my projects. That's the thing. So don't be afraid of failures, and definitely be true to yourself. That's the thing else.
Small things but deep things, I would say. Very interesting points you're leaving with on this. Thanks, Vinayak. Thanks for taking out time. You have placements are going on. You must be busy with that. I wish you all the very best on all the things you are doing. So all the best and yeah, go ahead on things you are dreaming about. So nice talking to you.